Let's get you some more important global story. Let's kickstart with news flow straight away coming in from United Kingdom, where the Bank of England has made its first rate cut of this year. Now, this signals that further credit policy ease is coming. This comes as the central bank downgraded UK's growth forecast for the year. BoE has lowered rates by 25 basis points, and as per the data, the economy flattened in the third quarter. While weak retail data last month also added to expectations that the bank would cut rates, Britain's inflation rate, meanwhile, fell to a lower than expected 2.5% in the month of December, with core price growth slowing further, also fueling expectation that central bank policymakers would steer towards their first trim of 2025. Nonetheless, Governor Bailey emphasized that a gradual and a careful approach to the further withdrawal of the monetary policy restraint is appropriate.
All right, then moving on, the number of Americans filing new applications when it comes to unemployment benefits increased moderately last week, consistent with steadily easing labor market conditions. Then, though opportunities for those out of work are becoming scarce amid tepid hiring. So that's the kind of trend that you're seeing emerge when it comes to the weekly jobless claims, and weekly jobless claims increased 11,000 to 219,000. Meanwhile, when you take a look at productivity, that grew at 1.2%. That's the kind of rate that you're looking at in the fourth quarter then.
Okay, in the meantime, Dallas Federal Reserve Bank President Lori Logan, that one also signaled that she was ready to keep interest rates on hold for quite some time, even if the inflation drops closer to the Fed's 2% goal, as long as the labor market does not falter. She said she would view the combination of slowing inflation and a strong labor market as evidence that monetary policy was not meaningfully restrictive. In addition, she said that if the labor market or even the demand cools further, that could be an evidence that it's time to ease out.
Well, absolutely. Let's keep it going with the US. Then American industrial conglomerate Honeywell is the one that said that it will separate into 3 independently listed companies. Now, it had announced the spin-off of its advanced material unit, and that is the one now they're going to be separating their aerospace and automations units as well. This move, of course, comes after activist investor Elliott Management acquires stake worth $5 billion in the company. So that's an important announcement as far as Honeywell then is concerned.
All right.